Hello, I'm Mike from Music Radio Creative, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove vocals from a song inside Audacity. Now, here we are with a little jingle that I've got here. Let's have a listen.
Audio production and more. This is Mike Russell on musicradiocreative.com.
Okay, so there are vocals there in that song, and we want to remove them. Now, at this stage, I should say, go and watch my AI audio video, which has some brilliant AI tools you can load straight into Audacity, and it does the best job. This is the new modern way of removing vocals or even isolating vocals from a song. It's all done with AI. It's super accurate. The only caveat is that it only works on PC presently. So if you're on Mac or Linux or somewhere else, this is not going to work for you. So we've got another alternative method. Now, it's not as good as using AI, but it still gets the job done in most cases. So all we need to do is go to the three dots here on our audio track, and then we need to split this stereo track like that, okay? You've got two tracks. 1, 2. So what do? Well, you simply double-click on this track here, and then you go to the Effect menu, and you want to go and look down here for a special tool called Invert. Now, providing your vocals sit mostly in the center of your audio track, this trick will work. If your vocals are stereo or they're backing vocals, often backing vocals are stereo, this won't work. But if the vocals sit bang in the center, it'll work. Now, this has the slight caveat of meaning that it will also eliminate other things that sit in the center, and generally that will be bass instruments and things like that. So you might find that your audio track gets a little thinner. But let's invert and let's play everything back from the start and see what we've got. Gone. Now, bear in mind, if I undo that, Command Z and play, and a little bit more over here, you can obviously hear that the track has a fuller sound than if I then put it back to invert it. We've definitely lost some of the bass and low end. That is a problem with inverting audio, but of course, if the vocals sit in the center, inverting on one channel will cancel out the other channel and get rid of the vocals. It's one way of doing it. It's the easiest way if you're using Audacity on Mac or Linux or not a PC. If you are on a PC, I highly recommend you go and watch my Audacity AI tools video. You're going to absolutely love it. It's going to show you the modern way of not only isolating vocals, removing vocals, but also splitting out stems from tracks such as bass and synths and things like that. It's really incredible what the AI tools in Audacity can do. And if you've got any questions, post them in the comments down below and throw a like on this video, subscribe for more.